Hey guys, here is another question. Gallium, atomic mass 70U, crystallizes in a hexagonal closed packed structure. The total number of voids in 0.581 grams of gallium is. So we have the factor over here 10 raised to 21. We need to find out this value. We know the Avogadro number is 6.023 into 10 raised to 21, 23. Sorry. We can find out the number of moles as we are given the weight and the molecular weight. So let's say we find out the number of moles, then the number of atoms can be easily found multiplying the Avogadro number, and after that we know that the total number of voids for a particular atom is 3, 1 octahedral and 2 tetrahedral voids per atom. So we just calculated the total number of atoms, and if I multiply it with the total number of 3, we get the total number of voids in the entire structure. So the total number of voids become 15 into 10 raised to 21. So the answer over here is 15. Thank you.